മത്സര പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുണ്ട് കൂടെ. റൂട്ടേഴ്സ്, കാലിക്കറ്റ്. 7th സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസ്, ചാപ്റ്റർ 4, ഫ്രം ഇൻജസ്റ്റിസ് ടു ജസ്റ്റിസ്. 1. What is marginalization? Answer. Marginalization is the process of excluding some groups from the places where they deserve equal consideration. Marginalization is caused by natural disasters, man-made disasters, eviction, caste, religion, tribe, gender differences. 2. Which are the major groups facing marginalization in the society? Answer. Women, transgenders, Dalits, tribals, minorities, poverty-stricken, refugees, persons with disabilities, and prisoners. 3. Who led the Urutambalam riot? Answer. Ayyangali. 4. What is the name of the Dalit girl who was taken by Ayyangali to Urutambalam Kudipallikudam? Answer. Panchami. 5. What is the new name of Urutambalam Government UP School? Answer. Ayyangali Panchami Memorial Government UP School. 6. In which district did Urutambalam riot take place? Answer. Thiruvananthapuram. 7. Who said, if you don't allow our children to study, weeds will grow in your fields? Answer. Ayyangali. 8. The Renaissance leader who was known as the leader of the Dalits? Answer. Ayyangali. 9. Who was the Renaissance leader born in Pulayar community? Answer. Ayyangali. 10. Who established the Sadhujana Paripalana Sangham? Answer. Ayyangali. In 1893, Ayyangali ride a Villuvandi through the streets of Venganur, challenging the upper caste who did not allow Pulayas to travel on public roads. 11. Who led the Perinad riot, also known as Kallumala strike? Answer. Ayyangali. 12. Who is described as the father of Kerala Renaissance? Answer. Sri Narayana Guru. 13. Who promoted the message enlightenment through education? Answer Sri Narayana Guru. 14. Who spread the message of one caste, one religion, one God for man? Answer Sri Narayana Guru. 'Words of Sri Narayana Guru. 1. Whatever be the religion, it is enough if man becomes good. 2. Liquor is poisonous. Make it not, sell it not, drink it not. 3. Ask not, think not, and say not, caste. 15. Who is the only Renaissance leader whose birth and death have been declared as holidays? Answer Sri Narayana Guru. 16. Where is the birthplace of Sri Narayana Guru? Answer Chembalanthi, Thiruvananthapuram district. 17. In which year did Sri Narayana Guru perform Arivippuram Pradishta? Answer 1888. 18. Who is the Renaissance leader known as the father of Kerala literacy? Answer Kuriakose Elias Chavara. 19. Who is the Renaissance leader who put forward the idea of Pallikudam along with the church to provide free education? Answer Kuriakose Elias Chavara. 20. Which was the initiative started by Chavarayachan in his schools for lunch? Answer the Pidiyari or a handful of rice scheme. 21. Who is the Renaissance leader who said that one caste, one religion, one clan, one God, and one world for man? Answer Vaikunda Swamigal. 22. Who was the social reformer who raised the slogan, "If we work, we should be got paid"? Answer Vaikunda Swamigal. 23. Who described the rule of the British as the rule of White Devil or Ven Nijan, and the King of Travancore as the Devil of Anandapuri? Answer Vaikunda Swamigal. 24. Which well was built by Vaikunda Swamigal for the use of all castes? Answer Mudiri Kinaru. 25. Who is known as the saint without saffron? Answer Chattambi Swamigal. 26. Who was known as Sarva Vidyadi Raja? Answer Chattambi Swamigal. 27. In Kerala, Chattambi Swami's birthday, 25th August, is celebrated as. Answer Jeevakarunya Dinam. 28. Who is known as the father of Kerala Muslim Renaissance? Answer Vakam Abdul Qadir Maulavi. 29. Who is the founder of Swadeshabhimani newspaper? Answer Vakam Abdul Qadir Maulavi. 30. The social reformer who was known as Kumara Gurudeva. Answer Poigayil Yohannan. 31. Who founded the Pratyaksha Raksha Deva Sabha? Answer Poigayil Yohannan. 32. Who was known as Lincoln of Kerala? Answer Pandit K.P. Karuppan. 33. Who was awarded the Kavitilaga title by the King of Kochi? Answer Pandit K.P. Karuppan. 34. Who was the first Malayali graduate woman from scheduled caste? Answer Dakshayani Velayudan. 35. Who coined the term Dalit for the first time? Answer Jyoti Rao Phule. 36. Who founded Satyashodak Samaj? Answer Jyoti Rao Phule. 37. Who is called the father of Indian social revolution? Answer Jyoti Rao Phule. 'Jyoti Rao Phule is also known as India's Booker T. Washington. 38. Where was the first school for girls established in India? Answer Pune. 39. Who was the women social reformer from Maharashtra who established night schools for farmers and workers? Answer Savitri Bai Phule. 40. Which university in India is named after Savitri Bai Phule? Answer University of Pune. 41. Who is the founder of Swabhimana movement? Answer Periyur E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar. His full name was Eroda Venkadappa Ramaswamy, and he launched a weekly named Kudi Arashu. 42. Who is the British-born anthropologist who worked for the preservation of the unique life of tribal people in India? Answer: Verrier Elwin. 43. Who is the anthropologist from Thrissur who studied about Indian cultures? Answer: Dr. A. Ayyappan. A. Ayyappan was the person who has made comprehensive contributions to the study of Izhava Gotra communities in Kerala. 44. Who is the first person from tribal community to win National Film Award for Best Female Singer? Answer: Nanchi Amma. Nanchiyamma belongs to the Irula tribe of Attapadi in Palakkad district. 45. Name the autobiography of Malayalam drama film actress Nilambur Aisha. Answer: Between Life and Stage. 46. The institution started by Pandita Ramabai in Pune for the rehabilitation of child widows. Answer: Mukti Mission. 47. Who was the first Malayali woman to graduate in medicine? Answer: Dr. Mary Punnan Lucas. 48. From where did Mary Punnan Lucas get his medical degree? Answer: University of London. 49. Was the first women representative in Travancore Legislative Council? Answer: Dr. Mary Punnan Lucas. 50. Who is the world famous botanist from in Talasheri, Kerala? Answer: E.K. Janaki Ammal. 51. Was the first Director General of Botanical Survey of India? Answer: E.K. Janaki Ammal. 52. In which year was E.K. Janaki Ammal awarded Padma Shri? Answer: 1977. 53. Which term is used to mean the groups that are few in the total population? Answer: minority. 54. In which year the Protection of Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act was passed? Answer: 2016. Come into effect in 2017. 55. In which year the Paralympics, an international sports competition for differently abled athletes started? Answer 1948. 56. When was Ambedkar, the architect of the Indian Constitution, born? Answer 14th April 1891. Ambedkar was born in a Dalit community named Mahar. He is also known as modern Manu. 57. Who is known as Ambedkar's political guru? Answer Jyoti Rao Phule. 58. Which weekly was launched by Ambedkar in 1920? Answer Moog Nayak. 59. When Ambedkar died? Answer December 6, 1956. 60. Ambedkar's Samadhi place is known as? Answer Chaitya Bhumi, Mumbai. 61. What is a transgender person? Answer. Transgender person means a person whose gender does not match with the gender assigned to that person at birth. This includes trans men or trans women. 62. Which articles in the Constitution mention against caste discrimination and untouchability? Answer. Articles 14, 15, 17, 29, 30 and 46. Article 14. Equality before law and equal protection of the laws. Article 15. Prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex and place of birth. Article 17. Abolition of untouchability. Article 29. Protection of interest of minorities. Article 30. Right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. Article 46. Promotion of educational and economic interest of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other weaker sections.